Today's video is about a park in Vienna called Prater, which is not only a park, but more importantly, is like a huge amusement park. And even though we didn't go on too many rides, we went on one ride and played a little bit of games. Other than that, we more importantly went around and looked over all the different rides, because there's so many beautiful and different and crazy rides. And now let me show you a little snippet of what is there to offer, and after that I'm gonna talk a little bit more about what you can find there. We highly recommend you visit this place, even if you're not gonna go on the rides, because it's still really cool to see them, and we highly advise you to see this place not only during the day, when it's a beautiful day, but also during the night, because it turns into like this, all the lights flashing, it looks really cool. Or sunset is a very beautiful time to go there too. It is like a fairy tale in a way, it's very picturesque, or I should actually say is a little bit more like a movie. It feels like you're in a movie when you watch people go to the amusement parks and you're like, it's all this fairy tale feeling. So we highly recommend you see this place for yourself, even just for a walk. The two iconic things that you're gonna see in this park is, one is like a huge, iconic, very old looking ferry. And then the second one is where it's pretty much like a swing. They strap you in and then you go around the middle tower, going up until you're very high in the sky. It's literally huge. And it's pretty much like a swing in the air, way above the whole park. And even watching this from below is very cool. And just so you know, the entrance to this park is actually free. Everyone can enter. But every ride is paid separately. So for us, I think it's a very good thing, because we can actually go inside and explore the place, see what it has to offer, and if there's something that you particularly like or don't like, you can choose to go on it or not. And with that being said, it's gonna be the end of today's video. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, but before we end this video, a couple things that I wanted to mention very quickly. First off, if you like the music in this video or in any other of my work, check out down below the links for Epidemic Sound and Artlist. Second off, if you would like to support our channel, check out my Patreon and my website. And last but not least, if you want to join a travel community, check out Travel the World. It's a Facebook travel community. If you're into that kind of stuff, check it out. It's gonna be a link down below. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again, and I'll see you next time.